Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming parts are clean and intact. This prevents leaks and motor strain. Once assembled, pour 1/2 cup liquid before solids so ingredients move freely. This reduces cavitation and protects blades. Make sure to secure the lid and align the jar with the base locking tabs. Start with 2-3 short pulses on low to break down chunks, then ramp speed gradually to achieve a smooth texture without overheating the motor. Once the mixture begins to move, you need to manage texture and airflow. Stop and scrape the jar sides through the lid opening to reincorporate unblended bits. Doing this prevents dense clumps. If using frozen fruit or ice, add in small batches and use short pulses so the blades can catch and shave pieces without stalling. Make sure to monitor motor temperature. If it feels hot, pause for 30-60 seconds after about 1 minute of continuous use to preserve motor life. You complete the process with a final high-speed burst, 3-5 seconds, to even out texture and disperse air pockets. This gives a consistent result. Once done, power off and unlock the jar before removing. Rinse immediately to prevent residue hardening, and hand wash the blade assembly cautiously to avoid cuts. If the unit fails to start, make sure the jar is fully locked into place and the lid engaged. Also check housebreaker and let the motor cool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.